Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the circuit and confirming there is no voltage present. Turn off the breaker and test the socket with a non-contact tester, then verify 0V with a multimeter to be safe. Use insulated tools and gloves so you can work confidently. Once done, remove the faceplate and loosen the terminal screws just enough to free the conductors. Make sure to keep screws nearby and note which cable is live versus neutral so you don't mix them up. With power isolated, strip about 8 to 10 mm of insulation from each conductor. Avoid cutting any copper strands because that reduces contact quality. Insert the live conductor into the L terminal, the neutral into N, and the earth into the ground terminal. Make sure color coding matches local standards. Tighten each terminal securely to the manufacturer's torque recommendation so they cannot loosen under load. Once secured, fold the wires neatly into the back box to prevent pinching and reseat the socket before attaching the faceplate. After mounting the socket and fastening the faceplate, restore the breaker and proceed to test. First, use a multimeter to confirm correct voltage between L and N and between L and earth. Then plug in a low-power device to validate continuity under load. If the socket shows no power, intermittent contact, or the breaker trips, shut the breaker off immediately. Re-isolate the circuit, reopen the socket, and recheck tightness, correct terminal placement, and any damaged insulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.